How are you all? Hope so you all are fine and very good. Yes, then ask me, what about you, ma'am? I'm also fine. Thank you so much. So everyone, today we will do exercise related to your sound words. Okay. First we will do prayer. So please stand up, join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Say loudly. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. One more time we will repeat this. Say loudly. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Rub your hands, then keep in your eyes, feel relaxed. So everyone, please take out your notebook, pencil and eraser. Take out your color also. Hurry up. Take out your new page. Write down CW and today's date. Write your CW and today's date. We will do exercise related to sound words. Okay. Write up a red line. Write with me. First letter always come in capital. This is your exercise which is related to your sound word. So write down the question here. Write here W. Write with me. R-I-T-E. Right. Take one finger distance. Right here. R-H-Y-M-I-N-G. Rhyming. Take one finger distance. Letter F-O-R for. Take one finger distance for the following. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Following. Write rhyming for the following. Here you have to rhyming words. आपको क्या करना है? हम लोग ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं rhyming words जो आपके बुक में दिए हुए हैं. सीरीज इस टाइप से हम लोग ऑलरेडी बुक में कर चुके हैं. अब हम नोटबुक में करेंगे. Now we will do write in your notebook. Okay. Now see. Write rhyming for the following. Here we already write the words and you have to write the rhyming. Okay. Now write down number 1. Number 1. Right here. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Then sleeping line. Next, go to the next line. Write down number 2. Hurry up. P-A-N, pan, sleeping line. Have you completed? Next, number 3. M-A-P, man. Hurry up. Number 4. D-A-D, dad. Write down number 5. J-A-R, jar. Write rhyming for the following. See the words here, already given some words. You have to write their rhyming words. Okay. Now see this first. Which word is this? Bat. Which word is this? Bat. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Now tell me what is the rhyming word which is similar to bat? Very good. Cat. Very good. Write down the spelling of cat here. C-A-T, cat. See, last two letter it will be same. Last two letter that is 80. जो 80 है sounds वो same होना चाहिए. First letter सिर्फ change होना चाहिए. बाकी दोनों जो letter है वो same होना चाहिए. Rhyming मतलब ये जो letters होते हैं हम जब बोलते हैं तो इसका जो word हम बोलते हैं वो same होना चाहिए. जैसे bat, cat, mat, pat इस टाइप से. Okay. Now go to the next. See which word is this? Pan. Which word is this? Pan. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. Now tell me which is the similar word of pan? Which is the rhyming word of fan? Fan. Very good. Write down the spelling of fan. F-A-N, fan. Write down the spelling of fan. F-A-N, fan. Very good. Now see the next. Which word is this? Map. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. Now you have to write the rhyming word of map. It is, tell me, tap. Very good. Write down the spelling of tap. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Have you completed? Hurry up. Next, number 4. Which word is this? D-A-D, dad. D-A-D, dad. What is the rhyming word of dad? No, I will tell you. It is P-A-D, pad. P-A-D, pad. So write down the spelling of pad. P-A-D, pad. Very good. Have you completed? Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Now say the next. Which word is this? Jar. Which word is this? Jar. J-A-R, jar. 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 Now tell me, what is the rhyming word of jar? Which word I write here? Car. It is car. Jar. Car. Jar. It is sink. C-A-R. Car. Have you completed? Write fast. I will give you 1 minute. Hurry up. Okay, have you completed? See, I have no space. If you have space, you will write continue in this set. Now, I am going to rub this. Go to the next line, write down number 6. Write down number 6. Write the spelling of den here. D-E-N, den. Slipping line. Hurry up. Then go to the next line. Write down number 7. Write here T-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. Number 8. Go to the next line. Write down number 8. Write down the spelling of red. R-E-D, red. Have you completed? Go to the next line. Write down number 9. Right here, HIT, hit. HIT, hit. Write down number 10. Write down the spelling of tin. Tin. Now see, this is number 6. Which word is this? Den. Which word is this? Den. Now tell me, what is the rhyming word of den? See this. D-E-N, den. You have to just change this first letter. Okay? आपको सिर्फ फर्स्ट लेटर है, इसे चेंज करना है. अदर टू लेटर विल बी सेम. ये दोनों लेटर सेम रहेंगे. सिर्फ फर्स्ट लेटर चेंज करके आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है राइमिंग वर्ड. नाउ राइट विथ मी. राइट डाउन द राइमिंग वर्ड ऑफ den is M-E-N, men. M-E-N, men. Have you completed? Now next, which word is this? Pin. Which word is this? Pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. Now tell me the rhyming word of pin. Tell me, hurry up. Write here, win. W-I-N, win. W-I-N, win. Hurry up. Now go to the next. Which word is this? R-E-D, red. Which word is this? R-E-D, red. Write down the rhyming word of red. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. Have you completed? Hurry up, write fast. Now next, see this. Which word is this? Hit. H-I-T, hit. Which word is this? Hit. H-I-T, hit. Now tell me the rhyming word of hit. Yes? Very good. Right here, sit. S-I-T, sit. Now see the next. Number 10. Which word is this? Tin. Which word is this? Tin. Tell me, what is the rhyming word of tin? It is bin. B-I-N, bin. Have you completed? Hurry up. If you want, you take a screenshot. completed? Good. Now I am going to rub this. I have no space. If you have space, you will continue. Otherwise, use your next line. Write down number 11. Right here. L-I-D, lit. Slipping line. The next number 12. Write down the spelling of cord. C-O-D, cord. Hurry up. Number 13. Write down the spelling of hen. H-E-N, hen. Number 14. Write down the spelling of mat. M-A-T, mat. And last number 15. Write down the spelling of get. G-E-T, get. Now see. First, we have to read this word. Which word is this? L-I-D, lid. Which word is this? L-I-D, lid. Now tell me, what is the rhyming word of lid? Hurry up. Very good. Right here, S-I-D, sit. Sit. Good. Now see the next word. Which word is this? C-O-D, cord. C-O-D, cord. Now tell me, what is the rhyming word of cord? Very good. Right here. R-O-D, rod. Rod. R-O-D, rod. Very good. Now tell me, which letter is which word is this? Hen. Which word is this? Hen. Tell me, what is the rhyming word of hen? Yes, tell me. 10. Very good. Write down the spelling of 10. T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. Now see number 14. Which word is this? Mat. Which word is this? Mat. What is the rhyming word of mat? Hat. Very good. Write down the spelling of hat. see the word. Which word is this? Get. G-E-T, get. G-E-T, get. What is the rhyming word of get? Very good. Write down the spelling of net. N-E-T, net. Have you noted it? If you want to take a screenshot, good. And now go to the next line. Write down the homework and raise it. Hurry up. Okay, everyone. That is why I am telling. I told you. You just read out this spelling also. Okay. Each and every video, I just told you. You have to learn and read this word. Okay. Now again I will tell you, you have to read and learn this phonics word. Okay. It is very good for you. So everyone, bye bye. Good day. See you tomorrow. Keep smiling. Bye.